Some most important German vocabularies for anybody willing to learn German language. Chapter 1. Masculine Substantive. English meaning German masculine nouns. Now singular. Number 1. Der Mann. English meaning man or husband. Plural die Männer. English meaning men or husbands. Number 2. Der Berg. English meaning mountain. Plural die Berge. English meaning mountains. Number 3. Der Ball. English meaning ball. Plural die Bälle. English meaning balls. Number 4. Der Kopf. English meaning head. Plural die Köpfe. English meaning heads. Number 5. Der Fuß. English meaning foot. Plural die Füße. English meaning feet. Feminine Substantive. English meaning German feminine nouns. Now singular. Number 1. Die Frau. English meaning woman or wife. Plural die Frauen. English meaning women or wives. Number 2. Die Tasse. English meaning cup. Plural die Taschen. English meaning cups. Number 3. Die Nase. English meaning nose. Plural die Nasen. English meaning noses. Number 4. Die Auge. English meaning eye. Plural die Augen. English meaning eyes. Number 5. Die Hand. English meaning hand. Plural die Hände. English meaning hands. Neuter Substantive. English meaning German neuter nouns. Singular. Number 1. Das Kind. English meaning child. Plural die Kinder. English meaning children. Number 2. Das Mädchen. English meaning girl. Plural die Mädchen. English meaning girls. Number 3. Das Buch. English meaning book. Plural die Bücher. English meaning books. Number 4. Das Ohr. English meaning ear. Plural die Ohren. English meaning ears. Number 5. Das Zimmer. English meaning room. Plural die Zimmer. English meaning rooms.